Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope so you all are fine. So let's get started. So now we will discuss about open standard developments. So in open standard developments there are two routes. There are two major routes: other standard bodies and Internet Society affiliated organizations. So here in standard bodies we will discuss about the standards. There are different organizations of standards. You might know about these, like the famous organizations are about like IEEE, ISO, NC, ITU and W3C. So here further they are going, and you see these are all about the standard bodies. And here on the other side, Internet Society affiliated organizations having IETF, IAB and IRTF. So these are the three organizations here. So now we will discuss each and every organization, how they are working and what is the purpose of these organizations. So first we will see a quick background of open standard developments. The internet is built on technical standards that allow devices, services and applications to be interoperable across a wide and disparate network of networks. So basically you have to spread on networks of network. Internet is spreading on network of network. So focusing on the passing traffic between networks, Internet standards describe the protocols without prescribing device characteristics, business models or contents. The standard is developed on the basis of communication, like the communication between networks of networks. So first we will discuss what really IETF is. So it's an Internet Engineering Task Force. It's a large open and international standardization community of network designers, operators, vendors and researchers concerned with the evolution of the internet architecture and the smooth operation of the internet. The IETF is responsible for the specification of key internet protocols such as IPv4 and V6, as well as HTTP, the communication protocol for the World Wide Web. And then now we will see what really IAB is. It's the Internet Architecture Board. It is chartered as a committee of the IETF. Its responsibility include architectural oversight of IETF activities, Internet standard process oversight and appeal, and the appointment of the RFC editor. The IAB is also responsible for the management of the IETF protocol parameter registers. So let's come to the other other standard bodies like W3C. W3C is a World Wide Web consortium, develops interoperable technologies, specifications, guidelines, software and tools for the World Wide Web. The W3C is an international forum for information, commerce, communication and collective understanding. One of the most important outcomes of the W3C is the standard specification of HTML, publishing language of the World Wide Web. So let's come to the next point is IEEE. It's the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Is an international organization that develops electrical and electronic technology standards. Many of the IEEE standards are integral to computing science and networking technologies. Some examples of the key technologies include Ethernet, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and fiber optics connection standards. So here is ITUT. The International Telecommunication Union is a specialized agency of the United Nations dealing with information and communication technology issues. The ITU coordinates the shared global use of the radio spectrum, promotes the international cooperation in assigning satellite orbits, works to improve telecommunication infrastructure in the developing world. So I hope you understand this thing, what really ITUT is. These are all the organizations that are working as a standard bodies. So that's all about this thing. So I hope you understand this. Basically this knowledge is for your general information about what really the standards are and how they are working and what are their responsibilities. So it's not like some practical work, it's like some just understanding about the internet flow and what are the responsibilities and which organizations are responsible for spreading the internet and controlling the internet devices and monitoring the internet devices. So this is all about these things. These organizations that you are seeing here on your screen are all the standard bodies that they are maintaining the standards. So I hope you understand this. So meet you in next lecture and see. Okay, bye.